morning everyone, it's Mina here. Welcome to a weekend in my life. It's been a minute since I last vlogged. The last time I vlogged was when I went to Japan, so it's been many months since then. And I'm kind of disappointed in myself because I told myself that I wanted to vlog more consistently and make YouTube a thing, but I actually find it just really hard to vlog here in Toronto. I don't know, like when I'm in a different country, I just have so many things I can film, and I also don't feel judged when I vlog in public when I'm in a different country because I don't really care who watches me or judges me. But here in Toronto, I am surrounded by people that I know. Just like whipping out a camera and vlogging in public is a lot, so I haven't really been consistent. But this weekend I am really attempting to vlog. Today I am going to be going to the AGO, Art Gallery of Ontario, with my friend Shanika. We're gonna go see the Kaws exhibit. I'm meeting Shanika in like an hour, so I actually should leave right now. I will meet you guys downtown. We're at the AGO now. We're in the Kaws exhibit, and this is Shanika. Hi. It's Snoopy. I love Snoopy. White gold diamond. Very cool. I also wanted to take some fit pics. What do you think of the exhibit?
It's cool.
It's cool.
I feel like there's a lot of cool things.
There was like 2 big rooms. Well, I guess 1 big room and 1 small room. The smaller room was cooler, yeah. Now I think we're gonna go get food because she's hungry. We're at Dondon's now, and we got a lychee calpico. We both got one. Cheers.
I rate this a 10.
A 10. It's so good. Dondon's is my favorite Japanese izakaya in Toronto. I'd highly recommend it.
The interior is like really nice.
I got a salmon hand roll. I also got salmon sashimi, as always.
Kimchi fried rice. I already started eating. Spicy salmon rolls.
We also got oysters. I think they're still chucking them.
Eating good.
We finally got our oysters. They're out of focus.
They look so good.
I want to take pictures.
Because the camera eats first.
Facts. My dad hates it. My dad hates it when he sees people taking pictures of the food.
What are you taking out?
The green onion?
You don't like green onion?
No.
You are picky. I never noticed.
Yeah, I'm picky.
I have the same lip gloss as the NYX one, right? The butter gloss.
Yeah.
I have the same, the different color. Oh, there.
Best lip gloss. I'm playing Spirited Away. Alright, so it's the next morning, and I'm here in my basement in my rug making studio. That's what I call it, but it's really just my basement. If anyone watching this doesn't know, I make custom rugs as like my side business. And this is what I'm working on today. So I finished this frame last weekend and I glued them up, so now the rugs are ready to be cut out. I have 3 main lights that I use to light my frame up because this basement is really dark. Plus I have my phone set up here to take videos of my rug making process for Instagram and TikTok. So now I'm just gonna cut these rugs out and add backing and finish them up. I am going to be working on this Snoopy rug first. As you can see, it's Snoopy in a pumpkin. I made this because it's Halloween season and I wanted to post it before Halloween. Actually, when you're seeing this, it'll be for sale, so the link to my online store will be in the description. I really do want to make a full dedicated video about my rug business and just show you guys my whole process. The next vlog that I'm posting is going to be of me and my friends in Mexico because I'm going there next week. But after that, I'll try and make a video about my rugs. Alright, so I just finished getting ready. I'm about to meet my friends to go to like this haunted house thing. It's called Haunted Office Toronto. I don't know how scary and like good it's gonna be, but we'll see. It's so cold.
I don't. Behind you.
Oh my god.
Oh shit! Yo, Phil, you scared me, bro. Yo, he was just hanging when we came down.
Oh shit. Cute. What do you give it?
I give it 3 bad bitches out of 10.
Okay.
That's my math.
What do you guys think?
I give it like a 7.5. Even
like
though
it?
I fell down like 5 times.
I know, yeah.
Wait, you fell too! You came out and I just fell back.
There's a couple small actors.
Yeah, they got me a couple times. Now we're at the W Hotel. Austin brought us here. It's really nice in here. Got a sticky toffee pudding, tangerine sorbet.
Let's just say, yeah, that's when we first met. You remember? I was with.
They only gave me a fork. So I'm eating sorbet with a fork.
Never. Nice clothing. Nice clothing. So I met him, right?
Now we're gonna go to a Korean restaurant. It's supposed to be like a 10-minute walk. I'm not excited because it's really cold out.
Burger can chug it with those
Corn cheese.
As a problem solver, I thought this is Costco. Give it Costco.